Hello students, continue with chapter 11, three-dimensional geometry. Today our topic is plane. A plane is a surface such that if any 2 points are taken on it, then line containing these points lies completely in the plane. Plane can be specified in many ways. Number 1, a plane can be specified by normal to the plane and distance of plane from origin. Number 2, a point on the plane and normal to the plane. Number 3, plane can be specified by 3 non-collinear points. Number 4, plane can be specified by a point and 2 lines parallel to the plane, and plane can be specified in many more ways. Now, plane perpendicular to a given direction and at a given distance from origin. Here, unit vector n perpendicular to plane and perpendicular distance of plane from origin is p. Then vector equation of plane is vector r dot unit vector n equal to p, and Cartesian equation is xi plus yj plus zk dot li plus mj plus nk equal to p, where L, M, N are direction cosines and point A with coordinates x, y, z. So Cartesian equation of plane in normal form is Lx plus My plus Nz equal to p. Standard form of vector equation of plane is vector r dot vector n equal to d, where d equal to magnitude of vector n into p. If ABC are direction ratios of vector n, then general form of Cartesian equation of plane is ax plus by plus cz equal to d. Now questions. Question number 1. Find the vector equation of a plane which is at a distance of 7 units from the origin and normal to the vector 3i plus 5j minus 6k. Here, vector n equal to 3i plus 5j minus 6k. I hope you know vector n is normal vector and unit vector n upon magnitude of vector n, and distance p equal to 7. Now we can find out unit vector n, that is 3i plus 5j minus 6k divided by magnitude. It is 3 square plus 5 square plus minus 6 square under the root, and means 3i plus 5j minus 6k upon root 70. So vector equation of plane is vector r dot vector unit vector n equal to p, and we can write vector r dot 3i plus 5j minus 6k upon root 70 equal to 7, or vector r dot 3i plus 5j minus 6k equal to 7 root 70. Question number 2. Find direction cosines of perpendicular from origin to the plane vector r dot 6i minus 3j minus 2k plus 1 equal to 0. Here, given equation of plane is vector r dot 6i minus 3j minus 2k equal to minus 1. We never take distance negative, so make distance positive. Here making d positive, vector r dot minus 6i plus 3j plus 2k equal to 1. So vector n equal to minus 6i plus 3j plus 2k, and direction ratios of normal are minus 6, 3, 2, and we know direction cosines are dividing direction ratio by magnitude of vector n, and these are minus 6 by 7, 3 by 7 and 2 by 7. Question number 3. Find Cartesian equation of plane whose vector equation is vector r dot 5i plus 7j minus 11k equal to 14. Means we want to change vector equation into Cartesian form. Now we know vector r equal to xi plus yj plus zk, position vector of point P with coordinate coordinates x, y, z. So vector r in given equation is xi plus yj plus zk dot 5i plus 7j minus 11k equal to 14, and Cartesian equation is 5x plus 7y minus 11z equal to 14. Question number 4. Find vector equation of plane whose Cartesian equation is 3x minus 7y plus 9z plus 12 equal to 0. Cartesian equation of plane is 3x minus 7y plus 9z plus 12 equal to 0, and vector r is position vector of P with coordinates x, y, z. So we can write xi plus yj plus zk dot 3i minus 7j plus 9k plus 12 equal to 0, and vector equation is xi plus yj plus zk dot 3i minus 7j plus 9k plus 12 equal to 0. So I hope now you understand clearly to change vector equation of plane into Cartesian and Cartesian equation into vector form. And you do similar questions of exercise 11.3. Thank you.